Okay, this is a picture of my bike. I haven't been on here in a while, and I kind of switched it up a little bit, but I'm just going to give you a quick sound check. You see I had the paint done, the Yzf stickers, everything like that. 6R, because it's a 600R, not a R6. Pirelli emblems. All our graphics, thanks to that. You know what I'm saying? Pirelli. Okay, I'm gonna give you what you want. It's a sound check for the Yzf 600R. Okay, that's the D&D doing that. That's that D&D. Get a little bit more. Styling right, everything's done right. My new Pirelli tires. My little boy's bike. I ain't gonna do it no more. Alright, she just wanted to get on the camera. Yeah, it's loud. That's that D&D. Loud as hell. But that's the new bike. Just hit it one more time. She just came out here. Let you hear how loud it is. That's a picture of my bike. There you go.